Do you really want to hike the Inca Trail, but afraid it might be a bit too difficult? Let's answer some of your most frequently asked questions. First of all, the Inca Trail offers a blend of ancient history and stunning landscapes. This makes it a must for those who want to experience something truly extraordinary when visiting Peru. Now, is the Inca Trail very difficult? The Inca Trail isn't easy, but it's not impossible either. The challenge mostly comes from the high altitude and long days of trekking, rather than technical climbing. With moderate fitness and some preparation, most people manage it well. How many people fail the Inca Trail? Very few. Almost everyone who starts the Inca Trail completes it. Especially since guides set a steady pace and encourage breaks. If you train a little before arriving, your chances of failing are extremely low. Can a beginner hike the Inca Trail? Yes, beginners can definitely hike the Inca Trail. If you're comfortable with walking several hours a day and do a bit of practice beforehand, you'll be ready. The key is pacing yourself, staying hydrated, and letting the scenery motivate you. So, while it's a challenge, the Inca Trail is absolutely doable for most travellers. Read our full guide below for more expert tips.